wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smashing out another banger. You know, people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, I'm gonna see from the title what we are dealing with today. You don't know, back in the music lab, you know. Yeah, see me, you know what we are dealing with it now. But before we deal with that, please take this moment to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on the post notification bell so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm and really help my videos get out there and help my channel grow, guys. So I really appreciate it. It costs nothing, so just take a moment to like and subscribe and really help me out. Come on, help your boy out. Help me grow, man. You know what I'm saying? Help the channel grow so we can get better music and more diverse. You know what I'm saying? Come on. But yeah, man, people. Like I was saying, based on what you see from the Tigers who I do today, we have a new tune from an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, we're talking about one of the most young and one of the most promising, most talented artists in dancehall music. Okay, notice I say one off, so nobody come vex me. Notice I say one off, you know. Yeah, man, when I talk about people today, I'm talking about Masicka, okay? And he dropped a new tune and a new video entitled History, and he dropped it about like a day ago. Or a couple hours ago, actually. And yeah, we're gonna check it out and see what one, you know, see if it's a hit or a miss. But knowing Masicka, I know how talented he is, I'm pretty sure the song I got shot. You see? Cause just the other day man say, yo, Masicka drop a new tune, and like next day man drop a tune. So it's like we have to check it out, see what go on, see if it's a hit or a miss. But we already know, we have our expectation from Masicka. You don't know, so he's very talented, very gifted, lyrical, everything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we don't go all up the vibe much longer. This is Masicka History. Let's get it.
Don't worry yourself, dry your face for the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace for the fears. History will make you know.
When you say don't worry yourself, Jawi do what? The Jawi swallow your teeth. What you say?
Don't worry yourself, dry your face for the tears. Buckle your
oh, okay. He said don't worry yourself, dry your face, wipe your tears.
belt, tie your lace for the fears. History will make you know. History will make you know, dear.
History will make you out here. You hear that, Jambisco family? Jambisco React family. History will make you out here. You know, we now watch people stay on the grind and keep climbing. You see me? So we're gonna make history out here. We're gonna be one of the biggest reaction channels in that Jamaican has ever had. That, you know what I'm saying, on YouTube. Period. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, all you gotta do, guys, to help that dream happen and help us grow. Just hit that like and subscribe button. That's it. That's all you gotta do to help your boy out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man.
Cover yourself, dry your face for the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace for the fears. Put me man stepping out. I just a new beginning. Never change my circle.
I said, Mummy man stepping out. History making out. Yeah, man. It's a new beginning coming.
Control my winning. Did I change my company and Lou we live in?
Did I have to change my company and low we live in? Yeah, man. Big man thing, you know, let me tell man say, yo, I could come and do this YouTube thing and chop it up, bro. And them waste time, bro. We could have been to this. Yo, I should be one of the pioneers of this thing, you know, dog. Hey. And cut the matic from my belly, man, no know to killing. A man no fool to money, now go farm no fool for shilling. Man no new to money, now go farm no fool for shilling. Come in, no man, talk to them, no. Can no find no boy selling no soul for money, you know. You see me on a low. Mother from your 15 at the food me bringing. No care small it is, we happy that's the mood we giving. No care small it is, we happy that's the mood we giving. Come on.
No one move we living, fuck with it tattoo we digging. No move me rhythm, me think them different from the start. Me put me heart in every tune me singing.
Come on, man. I know you heard that, bro. This a hit right or something. I know you hear that, man. Don't play with me, man. I know you hear that. You see me, man, saying, do it for him, man, saying, when you say, yo, come, I pull it up, man, saying different from the start. Put him heart in me. Come in, man. I gotta hear that. Who come in?
Put me heart in every tune me singing. You them powerful like a dapper. Could you drop me car down for shoot me willing? I just shine the light, the right tune, no dimming. No worry yourself, dry your face for the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace for the fears.
Don't worry yourself, dry your face, what the tears, buckle your belt. Yo, come on, I want the fears, man.
History we making out.
Yeah, man.
History we making out. Yeah. Rubbing yourself, dry your face, what the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace, what the fears. From a little juvie man stepping out. History, moving over history we making out. Yeah. First CD when we burn. Yeah.
History man making out here, come here.
First real G when we earn. Yeah. From this.
People me know I think in the comment section. You see me? Me know me see the emojis, fire, garbage, lightning, thunder. You know what I'm saying? Me see the emojis, me know I think what I want.
Treat when me learn, say, down kill down, then me earn. Me I give nobody mercy, the clip I carry dirty. Me I tell her say me a video, no have to search me.
No give nobody mercy, the clip I carry 30. Me I tell her say me have it, me and I have to search me. Come on.
Everybody brain corrupt, every heart dirty. Some now itch your blood, you wanna can't first me. No
Everybody corrupt, everybody dirty. So me nah itch your blood, yo. You nah first me. Yo, this speak to a lot of weird you them I think nowadays. Nobody nah give you no chance in them, you know. They rather do you something for you. Hey.
Worry yourself, dry your face for the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace for the fears. History we making out. History we making out. Yeah. We never forget to hear that. We never forget them days. Hey, Portmore, we used to take the bus long before me get the bus. Fire up on my belly, me can't drop me off and make it fuss. Prayer when me ready, no people, I gotta get my trust. What love we make for us, we soon gone, so make.
Yo, that song is solid, you know, people. That song is solid, you know, well written, well produced, well. Yo, hey, come here.
We just shine like a diamond, cause I man no make for us. Genesis no exodus, my firm, and never fret me tough. Journey start, me get my stuff, me like my weed and take my puff. I step, no make no bluff, my mother never get no crow.
I step, no make no bluff, my mother never rise. Hey, come on.
No worry yourself, dry your face, what the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace, what the fears. History we making out. History we making out here. No worry yourself, dry your face, what the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace, what the fears. Some a little juvie man stepping out. History, moving over history we making out here.
History we making out.
Yeah. History we making out here. On side forever, hear that. History we making out.
Bola, mad tune. Yeah, man, real solid project, real solid. Yeah, man, Masicka, anyway, they big up yourself, me Jenna. Yeah, man, well produced, well delivered, well written. That's all the wonderful work of art right here. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself, Masicka. History. Really big tune. Once them tune take off like a rocket, and them tune are supposed to run the charts and run the party, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Them tune are bad, man. Them tune are people do not let this bloodly tune fail. Okay, wanna go show the artist some love and support. Definitely go like up the video, make you know that Jambisco, you know. You see me? Them song like them, and if you out in the world, you know, everybody feel hear them song. You see me? At least every black person must hear them song and know, say, yo, believe in themselves and know, say, you can't make history. And, you know? Yeah, man, people, them song are bad, man. Them song are wicked. Them song are shot. Them song are for their road and them song are do it. Yeah, man, them things I like to see, man. Masicka, big up yourself again and your whole team. Yeah, man, people, I know think in the comment section, drop the emojis. Let me know what you like. Where did you like the visuals? Did you like the lyrics? Did you like the melody? Did you like the beat? You know what I'm saying? The overall concept. Let me know what you like about the song. chop it up and jump in the comment section. I could chop it up and discuss it. I see the emojis, the flags for the countries where you're from, the flags of the countries where you're from. Yeah, man, show the artists some love and support, making us at Jambisco send you, and let's keep the vibes going and the good times going, okay? And while we shoot for the moon, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we shoot for the stars and lamp on the moon, you know what I'm saying? But yes, people, you know, it's the boy Jambisco. I was here again with another hit and a smash and a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.